Algebraic expression exercise 3.2 part 2. Question to simplify. First one. Here is 7p plus 3q minus 5r square, and here is 8p minus 4q minus 5r square, and look, here is minus 2. This one and this one is like this. Okay, so we know a square minus 2ab plus b square, it means a minus b whole square. So if this one is a, it means a equals to 7p plus 3q minus 5r, and b equals to 8p minus 4q minus 5r. It means, so it's a minus b whole square, right? So we can also write the question in here. It means here 7p plus 3q minus 5r square minus 2 7p plus 3q minus 5r, and then 8p minus 4q minus 5r, and plus 8p minus 4q minus 5r square. So it's a minus b whole square. That means we can write here is 7p plus 3q minus 5r and minus 8p minus 4q minus 5r. So consider this one is whole square. We can write like this way. And finally this is 7p plus 3q minus 5r, and this is minus, so 8p minus and minus plus 4q minus and minus plus 5r whole square. Now here is minus 5r and here is plus 5r, so it will be out, and then we can write here is 3q and 4q 7q minus 8p plus 7p, it means minus p, then whole square. Now it's looking a minus b whole square. This case we can write 7q square minus 2 times 7q times p plus p square. So 7 square means 49, and here is q square minus 2 times 7 14 pq plus p square, and this is our answer. So question 1 done. Question 2 also similar thing. Here is 2m plus 3n minus p whole square, then 2m minus 3n plus p whole square, and minus 2m plus 3n minus p times 2m minus 3n plus p. So first let 2m plus 3n minus p equals to a, and then 2m minus 3n plus p equals to b. So it's looking a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So we can write this on a minus b whole square. Then a means 2m plus 3n minus p, minus b means 2m minus 3n plus p, then whole square. 2m plus 3n minus p, then minus 2m minus and minus plus 3n plus and minus p whole square. So what will happen in here? 2m minus 2m out, right? And then here is 6n and minus 2p whole square. It also looking a minus b whole square. So 6n square minus 2 times 6n times 2p plus 2p square. So, and finally we will get in here 36n square. 2 times 6 is a 12, 12 times 2 is a 24. So minus 24 pn plus 4p square, and this is our answer. Number 3. Here is 6.35 times 6.35 plus 2 times 6.35 times 3.65 plus 3.65 times 3.65. Now look, this one we can write 6.35 square plus this one 2 times 6.35 times 3.65 will be unchanged, plus this one we can write 3.65 whole square. So it's looking a, it means a square, then 2ab plus b square. So it means this is a plus b whole square. 6.35 plus 3.65 whole square. If we make summation, 5 plus 5 is a 10, 6 plus 3 is a 10, carry 1, it means 6 plus 3 is a 9, carry 1, it will be 10, again carry 1, 6 plus 3 it will be 10, then square. So our answer is 100. Very simple. Question 4 is very interesting thing. Look at this fraction. Here is 2345 times 2345 minus 759 times 759 divided 2345 minus 759. If you use calculator, you should do lots of things, but if you consider this one is a, so this one also a, this one b, this one also b, this one a and this one b. So what is meaning in here? A times a is a square minus b times b is a b square divided what? A minus b, right? So this one we know a square minus b square means a plus b times a minus b, and here is a minus b. Finally this a minus b, this a minus b out, and we will get a plus b. So similar here is also we will get same thing. It means 2345 square minus 759 square, and here is also 2345 minus 759, and this one we can write 2345 plus 759 and 2345 minus 759 divided 2345 minus 759. So easily we can out this one, and ultimate answer will be, look, just 2345 plus 759, it means 3104. 3104 is our answer. Okay, so very simple. So after this we have completed question 4 and the part 2 simplification we also complete. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel, and in Sada Educare also you will see in Facebook page. So this math is very important for class 9, 10 SSC, IGCSE and CBC level. So no more today. Thank you very much for being with me.